मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में किसी को नहीं दूंगा। Okay. So I will be doing
नहीं,
3 things today.
ऐसा क्या है ना कि
Just a second.
वो बंदा MEA में जाएगा ना, तो MEA का बोर्ड होगा।
Can you please mute all of you? Can you please mute all of you?
Rishikant, please mute yourself.
Now it's fine, I guess. Great. So, shall we start?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. Everybody is in
Fine.
mute. Fine. Good. So, we will be doing 3 to 4 things today. I will try to make it as short as possible because I am taking the extra time because I was supposed to complete yesterday. We will be going with 2 specific libraries, just like last day. Then we will be going with predatory journals checking. One link which I will be sharing with you had been shared yesterday by Mr. Dayal or someone during Dr. Tati's class. So that I will be discussing a bit. And then I will be coming with journal suggester and how it helps any researcher to find out what is the right journal for a paper. And for that, there will be an assignment. So I will be discussing the assignment also, which I had given to you, and so that you can solve the assignment, right? So I will start today with UNESCO library. As I have said yesterday, that we have a huge resource from this UNESCO library, and it is from United Nations, as we all know. So I suggest that you can create an account, free account, or you cannot create an account. I have not created an account and I am using this, but I suggest you can create a free account. And if you create a free account with your email ID, I suggest all of you may use the official email ID which you have got from ICFA University Jharkhand for all these purposes. Then it gives more authenticity. So if you use the IU Jharkhand domain email ID for all these purposes, not using your Gmail ID, maybe that will be better. So I request, and that's up to you whether you will use or not, but that's a request, right? So when you talk,
can I ask something there?
please.
So talking about that email address,
Yes.
It will be with us for as long as we are associated with the university, meaning till the point we get a PhD.
Ma'am, it is for lifetime, basically.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Because whatever ID I am using, when I was a scholar, 10 years back or so, I had got that ID and I'm using that. Since ICFA is tied up with Gmail, so we are a enterprise customer of that. So it will be lifetime. You can use it and it can use it lifetime also, right? So if you go to this about option in UNESCO, you will find a create a free account. If you click on this create a free account, it will be expecting this create here, click here to create an account. If you click on this, you need to give your first name, last name and email, and you can sign up. I am not signing up. I am just going to the searching option and I will just at a fast pace, I will show how we can search various types of resources, right? So if you go to this,
to sign up, we need that this particular IU Jharkhand ID to on the Gmail account.
It's a suggestion. You can use any ID. Okay. You can use any ID. My suggestion is because you will be signing it to ResearchGate. As Rajkumar sir was saying, I got 3 requests today morning as followers, right? So that proves you are active. When you are going for creating your Google Scholar profile, these all things go for, these all things goes for an official ID, and you will go for multiple libraries where if you have an official ID and you can focus on that ID, okay, it proves your authenticity also that, okay, you are an official student, not using a, that's the only thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Right.
So say for example, I came to this search bar and I'm searching, say, social science, and I'm clicking on this search, right? Just like the other libraries, I have clicked on this. Please bear with me. The net connection is a bit slow in Ranchi at my home also, since it rained. So it is taking some
It's
time.
little difficult in Kolkata also today. So I don't know.
Okay.
I was initially having problem in logging in.
Okay. Maybe
It's
Geo.
not an internet issue there today. The Zoom server has a problem. Our other meetings at work meetings are
Okay.
facing challenge, and the WebEx as well, WebEx server too.
Okay.
Apparently, there's some kind of a DOS attack going on.
Oh, so we are under threat, right, ma'am?
The benefit of having a cybersecurity person in the team.
Yes.
Not really. It was told to me. I
In
didn't
India? In India?
Great. So this is the result which we have got. So I have searched with social science. We have got these results. Now, before going to the results, I will just try to take your interest to the left-hand panel where it talks about the types of resources. So it had given me a result of 52,136 results, in which around this number 9,454 books. There can be meeting documents, there can be articles, there can be periodical, there can be book part, that means book chapters. It is giving the material type. Then there can be conference materials also, right? There can be speeches, brochures, all those things. So if you go to this left-hand side panel, it helps you to understand that the details about the result which you have got, right? So it talks about the language also. It talks about the topic. It talks about the associated topics. It talks about the geography and all those aspects. Now, say for example, I have got this book and maybe I'm interested in this book, right? So it's available in English. So let me try this book. So I will click on this URL, right? Fine. So this is the book which I will get, right? So now here, if you go for the record options, right, you can get the various details. So International Social Science Journal, International Social Science Bulletin, other title, and all the details are being mentioned over here about this journal from which it had referred. Right? If you want to physically serve that those information are also there. Hard copy is available, so it's not available. So let me go for this full text. Full text not available. So this book, it is not available. So let us go back. Let us try this. See, let's see. So now for this, the full text is available. So when the full text is available, you will get this full text version over here. So you need to go for reading here online only, and you can download also the PDF version. Also, what you can do if you want to, if you have created an account, automatically you can add to your various libraries which you can create, right? A list or something. If you have not created an account, you can share. You can click on this share and you can send my share on Facebook or social media, or you can, this is the easiest option, you click on send on email, you type the email, your email ID, the subject and message, and you send out that. What will happen is that I'm just showing you, I've just tested before the session that I've tested with a book. So what happened is that a mail came to my mail ID and the book will not come. It will give all the details, right? So once I click on this URL, it will take me to the home page. Of that book. So that is how also you can save. So basically we have discussed 2-3 options. One is you can directly read, and if you have created an account, you can add it. Otherwise, you can go for share to your email IDs. If you go for print also, you can get a print version of this page only, not the total book. And then you can download from here if it allows. For all the PDFs, the download is not allowed. Maybe you need to read it online. If it allows, then you can go for a download. The PDF will be downloaded to your desktop or laptop. So this is how you can use UNESCO Digital Library, which is having a lot of resources. my suggestion is, as I have said yesterday also, for mainly theories, understanding theories behind your research topic, you can go for UNESCO Digital Library for getting the various types of books. Also for journals, you can go with, there is no issue, but for books, it is a suggestion which you can use. And the second source for free ebooks, I will be discussing about the Project Gutenberg, which I was talking about. So this is the home page of Project Gutenberg, which you can see, and you can get these options of searching. Now Gutenberg project will not give you only the books which are management. You can get any book, right? You can get a Sherlock Holmes book also. You can get different types of story books also. So you can use it for multiple purposes. The Project Gutenberg is a very, very popular project, and it is helping all across the globe, many researchers to get, and many readers also to go for getting the various types of books. I will share the PPT with you so that you can get these links, and all these links. Just I want to inquire, did anyone went through the contents which I have uploaded with respect to open access publishing? Please respond.
No, sir.
No,
I
sir,
did
not
get
here. No,
time.
sir. No,
Okay.
sir, not
Not
yet.
yet. My
But
suggestion
very soon
is-
we will be going to that.
Please, my suggestion is today leave it, tomorrow leave it. After tomorrow, maybe you will be coming with some assignments, but your total so much of busyness will be gone with respect to this. So spend time on the contents, and there are so many URLs which I have provided, right? Whatever I think that maybe it will be valuable, you can go through those URLs. If you face any issue, you can, I had the discussion forum, you can ask me there. You had my WhatsApp number, you can ask me there, or you can mail me also, and go through those. And ultimately, as we were just discussing yesterday, it's an ocean. Definitely it's an ocean, we accept. But it's up to you how to use that. For that, some suggestions which Rajkumar said today morning have discussed, right? About using the articles, journals. Sir have discussed in the last class about impact factor, how to understand which journal is better, citations and all those stuffs, right? I have seen one question in chat box when Rajkumar sir was taking the class. I think the question was from Mr. Shubhendu, right? And he has said, can you see the chat, my chat box, all of you? Hello?
No, sir, not
No,
yet.
sir, not
Okay,
yet.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes, we can.
Achha, you can see in the chat box, he talked about whether the journal industry is very much skewed towards the Western countries, right?
Right,
Because,
right.
yeah,
This
yeah.
we found out, sir, because the Indian articles are very less in numbers.
Yes,
Only
yes.
except
I-
Shodh Ganga, I
Yes,
did not
yes.
find anywhere.
Right. Now, I don't disagree. I agree somewhat. But also, please remember as a thumb rule as a researcher, which Rajkumar sir was discussing also in the last class, citation, or maybe not citation, the read of your paper is very, very important. That means you have done some work. If your work is good, people will read. And in today's age, the advantage is due to internet, we are having ResearchGate and so many platforms. Earlier, it was not there. I still remember my supervisor, Dr. Swan, who was my supervisor, and I learned everything from him only. When he had done research, he had done on a international project on economics. He's from Orissa. So when he had done research, he
Sukanta Chandra
had
Swan, sir.
spent. Hello.
Sukanta Chandra Swan, sir.
Yeah, Sukanta Chandra Swan, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. You know him?
I know him, sir. Yes.
Oh, okay. Who is this, Mr. Shumendu?
No, Rishi.
Rishi, okay.
Yeah.
So Swain sir had to spend 7 days, 15 days in Ahmedabad, 15 days in National Library in Kolkata. Physically, they need to go and you need to get. All of you can take a library membership from National Library. Who are in Kolkata or Delhi or all those places, you can get a free membership. You can get a free membership for 3 years. For that, you need an authentication from the university. We will be giving all the authentication. You can take a library. But nowadays, since thanks to digital, all these things are freely available. So you can share your work. And as Rajkumar sir has said, the person who had been referred, he had read this paper. So it's a big achievement, right? But this is only possible because we are having. So for that case, if our work is good, people will definitely read and definitely cite, right? So although your point, whatever you have raised, I agree to that partially, but not fully, because our work quality needs to improve. Needs to improve in a sense, it should be more impactful for the society, so that it contributes much more, right? Fine. So I have discussed about these two projects, that is the UNESCO library and
Vipul sir,
Project
just wanted
Gutenberg.
to ask one thing.
Right.
Doesn't like citation fine, but
Yes.
doesn't value of referencing get sort of some weightage somewhere? If you are, because every thesis or every article paper has references below. Now
Yes.
they are not necessarily what is cited. Cited are few. Reference articles are more. So
I
the
just beg
value
to
of
differ with you.
reference.
I just beg to differ with you a bit. If anybody does that, it's a wrong practice. That means if I have mentioned 500 literatures in my thesis, I should cite 500 literatures, not only literature review, but in various other aspects, maybe in findings, maybe in methodology. If you're not doing
If I
that,
referred to an article, but have not actually used or cited, just to understand the concept, I've referred to an article, then it should go into reference only.
no, then you should not mention in the reference. That is my point. Because earlier days, what happened is that there was no concept of plagiarism, right? Now, what Haas and I have discussed yesterday about Urkund or Turnitin or whatever plagiarism software, this is a very big problem. I remember Mr. Ajitav Dubey, who had been awarded 2 months back. I'm thankful to Rajkumar Sir, he have helped me to find out. We have not copy pasted, but Urkund was giving a lot of plagiarism percentages. So this is one of the problem which was there. We had to rectify that. So you should refer only those research papers in your research paper, article, thesis, or whatever, which you will be citing. So ultimately, you as a researcher is helping others. Likewise, some will help you by citing your work. How they will help you? One is your good quality work. Second is make your work available. Available in the sense, you create accounts in ResearchGate, you create accounts in Google Scholar and add your articles. Then it is much easily available. As we were discussing and we were debating yesterday, Google Scholar gives you the best solutions. So if your article is in Google Scholar, it will be easy to get. So if somebody gets your article, he will cite, then definitely your citation will be increasing. So he is helping you. So two aspects are there. One is citation. The second is make your paper available in the online platform through various these types of mediums. Where
Sir, I will interrupt. How are we helping others? That point I did not understand. You said by doing citation, we are doing helping the authors.
Yes, because say for example, ma'am, say you have done some work on green products consumer behavior, right? And I am doing a work. I have referred your paper. And I have cited your paper in my thesis. That means your citation will go up. Is it not?
Oh, okay. In that way, my citation will help that person's index.
No. The citation by myself will help you. Because your citation score will go up now. And that is the ultimate thing. That is the ultimate thing of a research. Because citation is because you have seen in newspapers also that when we talk about the international rankings, QS, Times Higher Education and all those aspects, the rankings are skewed, I accept. But their research have these types of aspects. Maybe IIT and IIMs, they are doing a lot of research. Maybe, but they are not being cited as the level as compared to the reputed international universities. So there are a lot of debates on that. It's beyond the scope of the class, but I cannot restrain myself for discussing because these are very debatable and very interesting topic. Right. So
Dr.
let me
Majumdar,
now.
Sorry, a quick question.
Please go ahead.
Okay. As I understand, we can put our articles and research papers in Google Scholar and other sites, ResearchGates and etc. Now,
which you have published.
Which I have published already. So I have published with some journals, right? And there is a So can I go and put it in Google Scholar as well, or I'm bounded with that guy, that journal?
Okay. If it is open access, there is no issue. If it is not open access, you need to take a permission, and what you can do, you can refer but you cannot upload that paper, whatever copy you have got. You cannot do that. It's against the principle because the copyright is being with the publisher. Because when you publish, you give the copyright to the publisher. The publisher can do whatever you feel like. If it is open access, you can upload the full paper. If it is not open access, you can upload the part of that paper. That is the abstract keywords and all those things.
Okay. So, but that cannot help in citation, right? If I'm just posting it abstract, it may not help.
No, it will not. It will not so much help. What happens is that if it is a closed access journal, it is not open access journal. You are dependent somewhat on the publishers for making it available.
Understood.
The paid source, right? So now the second thing which I am, yeah, please. Please.
Because this question is related to the topic we're discussing plus overall.
Yes.
And you know, the answer is going to be very subjective. As a scholar, when your journey was for 4 or 5 years,
right.
What was your priority? Was publishing articles in journal a priority for you? Or were you looking at a holistic picture of first framing all your research thesis and then getting the publications? So where do we stand when we take that?
Great, great. I should have highlighted this, but thanks for the question so that I can highlight. When I started my research, one of my co-supervisors, Dr. Swain is my supervisor, and Dr. Sumanto Basu from IIM Calcutta was my co-supervisor. He had suggested me one thing because he was very fresh when he had started guiding me. He had only passed his FPM from IIM Ahmedabad maybe 4 years back, and he was very fresh, so we can relate. He had said me that, Sudipto, when you are thinking about your topic, thinking about the research questions and slowly progressing, once you are finalizing your topic and your framework and conceptual framework is ready, that okay, I will be doing work in this area, you should have a target of publishing small research papers after getting significant outputs. And that's the reason why, because Dr. Basu have done this mistake when he was a scholar. So he had said that you should not make this mistake. So what happened, when I was doing my thesis, I have done a small part, I published that.
Right.
I have done some more part, I published that. Now, small part, you need to decide. Small part does not mean, and it should be, maybe you have done some literature review. We always suggest, we will be suggesting you later on also, that if you've done a literature review, you can publish a paper on review only. It is not necessary that you will go for data collection, some analysis will be used and all those things. You can publish a paper on review. And that way it will help that when you will be in the fag end of your thesis writing, that time you have published maybe 4 papers or 3 papers or whatever, that is giving a huge impact to your thesis submission. The University Research Board, Research Council, examiners will appreciate that. Second thing is, when you will start writing your thesis, your analysis and other parts are already written. So you can take those and accordingly customize, because the main ingredient is ready, and you can customize it and use it in your thesis likewise. So this is how you can make a short-term focus and short-term targeting. The scholars whom I am guiding and maybe other supervisors are guiding, we also focus on this short steps. We cannot go for the final step. So short step, I have done this work, maybe I can publish this part.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Am I clear?
Yes, that really helps.
Okay, great. So this is the Predatory Journal site. I have nothing to show because this is the predatoryjournals.com, which had been shared yesterday in the chat box also. So these are all the journals which you can get assured that these are predatory. So when you talk about these journals, you should think 1,000 times before publishing. The best possible part is not to publish in any of these journals. All these journals are hyperlinked. If you click on this, you can go to the journal homepage and accordingly get the information. I will just share a small thing with you, all of you, that these are some points which you may remember and may consider, which had been discussed somewhat by other faculty members also. How to know whether the publisher is predatory, right? There are no thumb rules, but these are some tips which you can use. Checking website, which Rajkumar sir in the morning was saying, checking website is very, very important. Although we can go for a, we can get a clone website also, but maybe we need to depend. So checking website, see for what associations they are member. If it is DOAJ, it is nothing like that. You see the COPE, you see the various indexing agencies. You need to see the journals contact information. Try to avoid the journals which are having Gmail or Yahoo or these types of third-party email IDs. You should go with the domain email IDs. I'm not saying all the journals which are having third-party email IDs, they are bad, but normally 99% cases we should avoid those journals because maybe they can make a claim that we are Scopus indexed, but maybe there is some problem with that. Now, the fourth point is very, 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 very important. The editorial board. You can go to the journal homepage, website and see who are on the editorial board, right? You need to check who are the persons. That also can give you an insight, the level of the journal and whether it's a predatory or not. Sometimes you can go ahead and maybe if you're having a LinkedIn profile or ResearchGate profile, you can check with the editor. You can go ahead with that because it's a valuable work which you have done. So you should not waste that. Take a look at their peer review process because many journals and will publish and will mention in their website that how they are going for peer review, whatever we have discussed, Rajkumar sir today morning have discussed. So you talk about that. Deadlines, it should not be very less, which Rajkumar sir again have said yesterday, today morning. It should not be very less that, okay, within 7 days you can get your article published. There is definitely 100% there is doubt because so fast, no experienced reviewer will review the papers. Please take it from me. No reviewer, no standardized reviewer will review the papers so fast, and the editorial process will take because initially the subject screening, then allocation of the reviewers. If paper comes to us also for review, we take some time because you cannot review within 1 day because reviewing a paper is a very tough job. You are giving your comments based upon which the author's research paper will be rejected or accepted. So that is a very important part. So it should not be very, very thin timeline. And you can go through the past issues of the journal and see what type of articles it were there. If you have seen, okay, maybe the journal is claiming it is Scopus indexed and you went to the past issues or the current issue which had published and you have seen there only theoretical papers, just there was no conceptual model, there was no primary data analysis, there were no so much of insights into the paper, the structure is not proper, the paper, the formatting was not there. These are very, very small things which will help you to find out whether that journal is predatory or not. So these are some of the tips. There can be so many other tips which you can use. And the best tip is to go to this website and find out whether it is existing or not. It is more or less an exhaustive website all across the globe. But maybe this website can skip also. So for that, you can go through those steps before selecting a journal for publishing. And the last suggestion is, please check with your supervisor before sending an article to any publisher. Supervisor, we all are here at the university before sending your article because that is a very important decision which you need to take, right? So now this is the second part which I'm supposed to discuss. So I'm through with this. Now the third part is very, very, very important. So what I will do is that I will go for the journal suggester. Now, I'm thankful to Mr. Sen. I had a chat with him because these are the 3 journal suggesters as per the syllabus which UGC have recommended. And they are Jane, they are Elsevier Journal Finder, they are Springer Journal Suggester, right? All these 3 works in the same way. Only the publisher is different. So for Jane, you will get many articles, many papers which are in the biological domain, right? Now, say for example, when I have searched, I will be also searching in front of you now. Say for example, my research area, I hope all of you remember that breed products, consumer behavior, it is a biological topic also because some way or the other you talk about the product's background, product features, ingredients, the farming process, the organic farming, whether they are using. So these are nothing to do with management or marketing. They are somewhat related to the aspect of the biological. So maybe you can use this also based upon your topic of interest. So what I will do, since most of you are in the, most of you will be, and all of you will be doing research in the management domain. So what I will do is that, Please bear with me. Yeah. So what I will do is that I will go to now this is the Elsevier Journal Finder, right? And I have just trying it out with all of you. This is one of the papers which I am writing, and I will be sending it for. It was related to my research area only. So this is the title.
Some disturbance.
Yeah, yeah. From my microphone or maybe anybody else?
No, I guess someone else.
Yeah.
I think.
Can you please mute? Maybe. Everybody are muted. I
From
guess.
Rumna madam.
Rumna madam. Okay. Madam, I'm muted.
Yeah, even I think so.
I think iPad now she is on muted. So no.
Yeah, she is muted. Okay. Thank you. So this is a sample paper which is an extension of my research area only. So it is the factors influencing non-users' perception of green food products. So this is the title. Then I have written the abstract, then keywords, and then my paper goes, right? So I want to find out whether any suitable journal is there to take my paper in Elsevier Journal Finder. So I went to this website URL which has been provided to you, and you need to type your paper title. So what I am doing, I'm taking this and I am sending, right? I'm typing the abstract also because that gives a better result. If you don't have abstract, you can go for don't have an abstract but my suggestion is at least you should have an abstract before testing. With only title, if you test, you will not get perfect results. So I'm just copy pasting my abstract, right? And I have pasted here, right? Now I also have some keywords. So let me test it out. If you don't have keywords, it's fine, but you try to have some keywords. So I pasted the keywords and I have pasted this, right? It is not taking because maybe the comma is there. So
no, one by one we have to type, then it
yes. Test with these two keywords. So it is not finding these keywords. So let us skip this. Then if it is not finding, there is no point. You can select your field of research if you want to, right? Maybe let me go for business management and accounting, right? You can go for multiple fields also. Say for example, are there any fields? Let me see. Maybe we talk about psychology. So we can talk about, right? You can click on this and you can refine your search also. Whether you want to go for open access journals, whether you want to go for the closed journals with subscription, you can go for all these aspects, right? If you don't want, you can skip, you go down and click on these find journals.
Dr. Sudipta, actually, can you just quickly review it? Because due to the internet problem, I missed everything. Just quick review.
Okay. From the starting of this map?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. What I have done, I went to Journal Finder of Elsevier and I had a paper which I had written earlier. So I'm just as a test case showing. So I have the title over here. I have the abstract and I have the keywords and then I have the paper. I don't need the full paper. So I went to the Journal Finder. I have copy pasted the title. I have copy pasted my abstract and whatever keywords I had, but it was not getting. So I've skipped this. And then I have selected some field of research. I have selected business management and accounting. I have selected psychology also because we are talking about some psychographic variables. And you can select multiple also. And from this pop down, you can select your domain, right? And after that, you can click on this find journals. Let me see whether it can give any results. So it had given some results. So if we just go with, it had given results of 50 journals, right? And the first journal is Journal of Environmental Psychology. So if you see, OA means journals with offer gold, and it is open access, and this is a closed access. So it's a subscribed journal. So for that, you cannot upload in the Google Scholar whatever we were discussing a bit earlier. So this is, they gives you the various types of indicators, right? The impact factor, the site score, the acceptance rate, how many papers are accepted. So 15 out of 100 will be accepted. Time to first decision, 5 weeks around. Time to publication, 3 weeks around. So they give all these indicators. So that is the most helpful part, which will help you to find out, okay, I don't have so much of time. Maybe I can skip this. Maybe I have time. It is fine. 5 weeks, it's fine. So you can go ahead with that, right? You can also go for the price. And this is very important that these are the countries where this journal is more popular. US, Australia, and Great Britain. Now, very important part which maybe Mridani sir was discussing yesterday, which I also have faced, many researchers have faced. When you send a paper to an international journal, you need to be very much conscious about the scope. Scope means geographical scope. If your paper is very much Indian perspective and it's a regional perspective, it is Kolkata specific or something, then your paper, maybe they will reject and they will say it is beyond the scope, because when they talk about these journals, these countries are very important factor. So your paper will be going ultimately to these countries. If it is not at all relevant to them, then they will not publish. In spite of that, your paper is very good. So this will help you to find out. So there is a way for that. I am not discussing here. Maybe you need to increase the scope and go for some generalization of your findings and all those things which you can do customization, where we can discuss later on. But this indicator will help you to find out that, okay, whether this journal is perfect for my ultimate research paper or not. Below this, just 1 minute, just 1 minute, just one. Yeah. Below this, it is talking about the subject area, the recent articles which are taken, the scope of the journal, all those details are there, right? And then it goes for this. So these details will help you to decide which journal is best for me, and accordingly you can decide, right? Yeah, please come. You were asking something, somebody, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
can we search with that area where there is high readership? Can we search with
I
that?
don't think so. Let me search. Let me try. Achha, just before going for that, you can sort by these aspects also: acceptance rate, time to first decision, time to publication, impact factor, journal name, site score, all these things by which you can sort your total search, because there are 50 journals, maybe it will take some time. Okay, so now let us go back and let us try whether we can go for this geographical scope. I don't think so as far as my knowledge goes, but let me try.
Even I tried it today, so I didn't find that.
You didn't find? Okay.
No,
so
sir.
Maybe that's not there. Define your search. Maybe, sorry, we cannot search by that. We can get only after searching, right? And maybe we can explore to find out more, but currently I cannot get it, right? So this is the Elsevier Journal Finder. The other thing which I will be discussing with you is the Springer Journal Suggester. The work is same, the publisher is different. So they are giving different names. It's a journal finder because Elsevier says that, and Springer says that it's a journal suggester. Let me go with the same article, and just to show you. So let me copy paste this. Then I will take the abstract, copy paste it. Then you can go for the subject area, just like business management. You can go for refine your recommendations. So you can give the impact factor and all those stuffs. You can go for open access journals only. You can go for closed access, that means the subscribed journals only, or you can go for all journals. My suggestion is, if you don't know, you can skip all these and go for suggest journals. So now I've got these journals, right? In case of Springer. So now in Springer, it is giving okay, it is open access. It is having a subscription, both the things. First decision, on an average, it takes around a month. The acceptance rate is 19%. That means acceptance rate is very important because it also helps you to understand what is the quality of that journal. I'm not saying more is bad because this 42% is not bad. So this is how you can go ahead, right? You can click on this. If you click on this, you can go to the journal homepage, specific journal homepage, and you can see where it is indexed. Okay, it's Google Scholars, Scopus is there, very, very good. You are happy. And you can go ahead with the different other perspectives and you can click on this, submit your manuscript. You need to create an account in Springer Nature and you can upload your paper if you find that, okay, this journal is good for me, right? So this is how you can go ahead with testing in Journal Suggester or Journal Finder in Elsevier. Before taking any questions, I'm directly going to the assignment which I have given, which some of you have, I've got 2 to 3 submissions already. So that's a good thing. I'm just explaining the assignment, which maybe will help you. So I've initially framed with Journal Finder, but now I have Jane. Now I've used a Journal Finder. So I request all of you to write an abstract of around 150 words and a title in your proposed research area. Don't worry. You can copy paste. I should not say officially, but you can copy paste and create this abstract because this is only for learning aspect, right? So if you copy paste and you can create a small abstract on your own and create a small abstract, create a small title based upon your research area. And also you can go back to the proposal, whatever you have presented during your interview, and you can go back and then create that and go to this Journal Elsevier Finder, and whatever steps I have shown, please go through those steps. Once you will go through those steps, take screenshots of all these things, right? So when you're going for Journal Finder, okay, you have typed all these things, take a screenshot of this homepage. You can reduce the size and go for these aspects. Then maybe you can go for find journals. You get a journal, take a screenshot. So 2 to 3 screenshots will be there ultimately. So this is the second screenshot. If you maybe you have selected this Journal of Environmental Psychology, you click on this. This will come and you click on this submit paper. It will take you to the home page of this. So you take a screenshot of this and copy paste these in a Word file, give some headings or so and upload that Word file. You can explain in 1 sentences. If you don't explain, that's also fine. I just want to know whether you can go through the steps or not. That is the objective of this assignment. So don't worry so much. It's a small assignment. You just create a abstract, and since the deadline is 23rd, maybe you can skip for the day. You can complete your pending assignments. You can complete your classes and all those things tomorrow, and after that you can submit by tomorrow evening also. There will be no issues because up to 23rd the deadline has been given. So 23rd whole day up to 11:58 p.m. So it's around 12, right?
So the steps you showed last step, we don't have to sign in, only take a screen.
No, please don't sign in. Okay. You can sign in for your own purpose, but here for this assignment, because sign in can anyone do, I just want to know whether you can go to this. No need to sign in.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions? Please come back.
Can you explain once more this thing, these 3 screenshots in this step? Sure. So this is the home page of Journal Finder Elsevier. What you need to do, you need to create a small abstract like me, title of the paper,
And then copy paste that title over here, copy paste that abstract over here, and you can select some field of research also. And after that, before clicking on find journals, you take a screenshot. This is the first screenshot.
Okay.
Now, once you click on find journals, it will take you to the page, right? Let me just go through. Let me just do this once more. So this is the first screenshot which you are supposed to come with, right? So say for example, I've given this, I've given the abstract also.
I can
Right?
take a research heading of any research paper, right? Or it has to be in mine.
I just want to know the steps.
Okay, got it.
To understand.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Right.
Yes. So now this is the first screenshot. Now you click on this find journals.
Right.
It will take you to some pages, right? So these pages, you can take 1 or 2 screenshots. Maybe the first screenshot of the top part, and then maybe you can scroll down, you can reduce the size and take some screenshots so that it shows that, okay, this is something which is there. And then say, I am selected, I am Bangalore Management Review as the journal. So click on this. These all will come. So this you have already taken. So click on submit paper. If you click on the submit paper, it will take to the submission page of that journal.
Original.
Right?
Yeah.
Original journal. Right. So you take a screenshot of this. So 3 to 4 screenshots, copy paste in a Word file and upload that Word file as an assignment.
Oh, this is the easiest assignment.
Okay, thank you.
This is the easiest assignment.
Great.
Seriously.
That's the conclusion.
This is the easiest assignment. Thanks so much, sir.
It's a last session, na? That's why.
Yes,
sir
we
is
don't
very-
have to write anything. Just click and copy and take a screenshot and paste and upload.
Copy paste.
No, you have to
Upload
write the
and
abstract.
upload.
Abstract you have to write.
Okay, Mr.
No,
Ghosh,
that-
you have
that
interacted
Mr.
with Dr. Swan, okay, in 2016.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then I
sir.
was-
At that time, I was proposing to actually enter IUJ, but due to some problem, I couldn't actually. in my family.
Okay. I was listening from Runa ma'am about your thing. Okay. That time you have spoken with. Great. So this is all from my side. Any perspectives you can ask me. Rajkumar sir will be doing one quiz. I will also need to do one small quiz on test mods. And before that, I will come with a Mentimeter question. If you have anything to ask, please do ask me. Otherwise, I will go to the Mentimeter.
I requested Dr. Kumar also, probably you were also there in the morning, the session that we had.
Yes.
So I requested that all these things that you have said, both you and Dr. Kumar, in terms of the sites that we need to access, the journals that we need to access, and at every stage is probably that what we need to do. And there is a kind of a ready recovery, if you can just prepare for our benefit. I mean, that would be very nice for us.
Definitely. I was there in the morning session, and we will be definitely working and provide you some rough framework or guidelines which will help you to jump in this ocean. Definitely, we will do that.
Sudipta sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I entered because that group division and topics you have with you.
Yes, everything I have. I will be sharing, ma'am. You can also share, ma'am. Let me complete. Give me 5 minutes, ma'am, please.
You share it, that's why I entered.
Please be inside, ma'am. Please don't leave us.
Huh?
Please don't leave us.
Now I'm there. I am with you.
Yes. Please be with us, ma'am. Yes.
I am with you. But
Yes,
I remind you.
Yes, you are so much stressed. Yeah, I know, ma'am. Any questions, Simi, ma'am?
Not a question, just wanting to, it's only 10 minutes left and I've got a meeting. I told you, right? I kind of moved meetings.
Yes. Maybe you can submit the test later on. Let us go for the Mentimeter first.
Sure. But I'm just letting you know that I'll have to drop it.
Sure. I'm giving in the chat box the Mentimeter thing. I hope all of you have got. Sorry. I've deleted that question. My God. Yeah. This is the question which I'm supposed to discuss with you, right? If you are coming with 2 questions, don't answer for the what do you understand by predatory journals, because you had a lot of discussions, so all of you know what is a predatory journal. So please don't answer. I'm only looking for your response. 3 words. What words come to your mind after attending the sessions? I should say sessions because I have disturbed you a lot since yesterday. So many extensive sessions. So that maybe you can take a screenshot and we can take a screenshot, and this will be a summary of our total journey.
Sir, we will be telling about your session or your and Dr. Kumar's session both? Your session only?
Maybe you can combine, no issues.
Okay.
No issues. Rajkumar sir.
Sir, yes sir.
Yes, we can go for a combination, right sir?
Regarding sir?
Yeah. This poll I am doing a what cloud, what words come to your mind?
Yeah.
We can
sure,
go for
sure,
a combination of mine and your session. Yes.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Simi ma'am, please check your chat, ma'am.
My chat.
Please check the chat box, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Impact factor, great. Citations, predatory. The best part is, I just want to share, you are the first batch of our university who after coursework 1 is having so much of content regarding open access publishing and so many other things. Because earlier, Rajkumar sir have done a lot of work since last 1 year. We used to share with the group, Google group, but we didn't have any classes or any interaction on those aspects. So we have tried out, because as per UGC regulations, we have included this course and we have all learned, and the faculty members have tried to deliver as per the best possible way. So at least you know what is a predatory journal. At least you know what is impact factor. At least you know, okay, this is something which is striking. So this awareness is very, very important. So I'm so happy that impact factor sticks to your mind. So I expect all your research, whatever you will be doing in the next 4 years, 5 years, or 3 years, whatever journey, it will be more impactful. So impact factors, citation, it came. Fraudulent activities, so it is related to predatory. So predatory, it also came. It's ocean of knowledge, fine. So we are getting here and there some word of journal, mesmerizing, thank you. Maybe it's a adjective, definitely. Digital library, reliability, knowledge, literature, indexing, paid publishing, very good. Paid publishing, conceptual framework. So you still remember conceptual framework, that's the best part, because this will be a backbone or be a framework for you. Fine. I-10 index, great. Validity, journal finder, right. 21, 22, great. So we can take a screenshot of this. All of you can take a screenshot. And you can remember that, okay, this is our learning, or these are the words which we will keep in our mind. This will help you in 2 ways. One is definitely your knowledge, definitely your future path of researching. And second is your understanding and knowledge and appearing in the examination also, because these keywords will help you. Because at the end of the day, the keywords we remember and we relate, okay, this is impact factor, this is quality of journal, this is predatory, something. So you can take a screenshot, you can share among yourselves. And this is how I want to end. Rajkumar sir, you will be doing your quiz, sir?
Sir, yes sir. And sir,
Okay.
before doing the quiz, just information, I couldn't crack the G index. I need some time to go through it, because it cannot be said in hurry. I just checked also, there are some complicated, and then I'll make some content on that and upload in Swadhyay. So right now I'm not in a position to do, because I need some study on that. Because I'm not studied also.
Rajkumar sir,
No
I
problem,
could
sir.
not
Next time we
hear because of
interact.
network problems. Rajkumar sir, can you please repeat? I could not hear because of network problem.
One topic which was G index, I couldn't crack it as of now. So what I'll do is I'll create some content on that and put it in your Swadhyay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. We could figure it.
No, sir. I
what you are
couldn't hear you. I think your net problem is there.
Rajkumar sir is saying
What
what
Rajkumar sir is saying. Okay. Sorry.
Yes. Please proceed. Please proceed.
No, so what I was telling that Rajkumar sir is telling that he is not able to prepare the content and he has to do more study on that. So he would prepare the content and upload it over the Swadhyay portal.
Regarding G index.
Regarding G index.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Chalega, sir.
I paste the quiz details here. Please check it up. Now it will work. And the password is 123456. Please check it up. You can go ahead with the quiz.
Password is 123456 or IUJ 123456?
IUJ 123456. Previous one it was IUJ 12345. That I mentioned as 123456, right? So IUJ 123456. You copy and paste the testmos /4536920 link and then use that password.